Okay, so we know that this ball is launched from the ground. Okay, its initial velocity is 40.8096, right? All of its precision, right? It goes up, it goes down, right? And we know that the velocity at 60 meters on the way up is positive, right? It's approximately positive 22.1. And on the way down, it's approximately negative 22.1. We'll use a more precise value, okay? We know that final velocity, right, the absolute value of that velocity at 60 meters is plus or minus, right, 22.09577, et cetera, et cetera. It's on my calculator. I'm going to use that value, okay? So what I do is I'm going to use V equals U plus AT, this guy. And I'm going to use that on the way up. I'm going to use it on the way down, okay? So let's do this, right? So on the way up, okay, the final velocity is positive 22.0957, blah, 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 right? And that equals 40.8096 plus negative 9.81 times t. Now, it's harder to write this down, right? I'm just going to use the value. I'm going to go up arrow in my calculator. Okay, so literally, I'm going to do this guy here, minus, and then I got to find that 40 point. Oh, there it is. Okay. And I get negative 18.7 divided by negative 9.81. And I get that on the way up, the time, it only takes 1.907627, et cetera, seconds, right? So we would say 1.91 seconds. By the way, you can just do this with a quadratic as well, but okay, but let's do it this way, just for fun. Okay, so going down. So going down, so from here to, it goes up and then to here, okay? On the way down, the only difference is that this isn't going to be positive that, it's going to be negative this. Okay, I'll show you. So V is U plus AT, right? The velocity is now negative 22 point all this stuff, right? 0.9577, right? That equals, the initial velocity is 40.8096 plus negative 9.81 times t, okay? So now I'm going to do this. I'm going to go do. Get that guy. I'm going to grab this guy, the 40.8096, divide by negative 9.81. And it takes considerably longer. Okay, so t is equal to 6.41237 seconds. So 6.41 seconds. Okay, so that's the way I would do it. Okay, I'm going to post another video though, showing you how you could use the quadratic equation for this, because obviously you ought to be able to do something here. They're just basically, that's a straight line. This is going to be a parabola kind of a thing. We ought to be able to find a couple roots here. So let's post that.